I told you guys clearly that GBPJPY will drop. If you've not watched the channel, if you've not watched the analysis we did on GBPJPY, it will be best you go back to the channel to watch it and to confirm. So you can see that 90% of our analysis on GBPJPY are actually very correct. So basically, whatever we predict on GBPJPY most likely going to happen, right? So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comment, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So guys, you can see that we predicted a sell on our GBPJPY, and GBPJPY eventually gave us a sell predict. Now, why do we predict a sell, and why do we eventually get the sell? It is very simple. You need to take a look at your trend. Like they always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. Now, what is the trend right here? Which is on the current trend. By the way, we have the main trend and we also have the current trend. The current and the main trend on GBP JPY is an uptrend move. This is the current. This is the main trend. The main trend, the full trend is an uptrend move. But when you zoom it in, you take a look at the current trend, what market is doing currently, you see that market is ranging. So market was able to reject from the support level, it pushed on to our resistance, right? Market then rejected from our resistance and dropped back to our support. Now market was able to reject from our support and push up to our resistance. Now market was able to reject from our resistance level and drop to our support, right? The market gave us multiple rejection from this our support level and it came back to our resistance. Once it got to this resistance, then we started predicting that market will sell. So this was the reason why we said we will be expecting a rejection from this resistance and it must drop to this our support level. This is exactly what market has done. Market has now given us a sell and it has come to tap our support level. Now our next movement on GBPJPY be a bullish move. So now we will be expecting a rejection from this our support level. We should expect the rejection and it should go bullish till it is able to tap our resistance level. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, be going in for the buy. If there will be any changes to this our prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button, like and share.